Welcome back. Well, let's discuss markets and stocks. And for just that, we have Neeraj Chadawar, the head of quantitative equity research from Axis Securities, joining us. Neeraj, hi. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. Well, Nifty is edging towards that all-time high level. Yes, it's taken a bit of U-turn as of now, but I understand that you have quite a tall target for Nifty by year-end, over 20,000.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me on the show. Yeah, we are maintaining our target for December 23 at 20,200. So we are a bit optimistic on the earnings. So we are maintaining a earning growth of almost 16% for FY24 and our 13% for FY25. So we are giving a target multiple of 20 times on December 24 earning. So which we believe that we are at the peak of the rate hike cycle. So in the second half, most of the commodities we could see the cool off, and the inflation is already at a lower level as compared to the FY23, which will translate into the margin expansion for most of the corporate in the second half of FY24. So we are optimistic on the earning season at most of the and we have after this Q4 earning season, we have not seen that much amount of downgrades. So downgrades were limited in the range of 1 to 1.5% only. So we are targeting 16% growth, and which we believe that in the later part, once the later part of the year, we could see a good amount of flow, which will translate here onwards. Though we could see a good amount of recovery in the market in terms of the rural, which was the pain area from last couple of years. So there are enough indicators which are indicating we could see a good amount of recovery in next 1 to 2 quarters. PMI services are indicating at a higher level. The remittances, which is going from urban area to rural area, has back to the pre-COVID level. So all in all, we could see a good recovery. But the only caveat is that the monsoon season, we need to see a good spatial distribution of monsoon.
Right.
So that will be the gray area that one need to watch out.
Sure, grey area of monsoons. But Neeraj, quickly wanted to get the discussion to get a bit more stock specific. You do mention a lot of stock ideas, right, from a Maruti, SBI, ICICI Bank to even an Aarti Drugs, Praj Industries, etc. But if I had to ask you to tell us your top 2 or 3 recommendations from stocks, what would those be?
So top 2 recommendation which we have added recently on 1st June are the Relaxo Industries and the Credit Access Grameen. So what we have seen after the Q4, we believe that we are getting accused that margins have bottomed out. Now we could see the good amount of recovery in the rural area, which will translate, and the price hikes will likely to pass on. And so good amount of recovery seen in the margins. So we are bullish on the rural team, and Relaxo and the Credit Access Grameen are well placed for the growth in that particular rural recovery theme.
2 stocks that you like at this point of time, but from the auto space, specifically, Neeraj, what's the top bet quickly?
So top bet is Mahindra CIE. We like Mahindra CIE, that is the auto ancillary company, is the beneficiary of the opening of demand in the European Union, and also seeing attraction from the domestic OEMs like M&M and Tata Motor. So we are seeing we could see a good amount of recovery in the auto ancillary space, that is Mahindra CIE. Along with that, we like Maruti in the passenger vehicle and the Ashok Leyland in the CV space.
Okay, thanks so much, Neeraj, for joining us with that quick take. A little paucity of time today. Would have loved to chat more, but completely out of time on this edition of the show.